In this video, I'm going to show how you can easily block screenshots on the WhatsApp. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up WhatsApp app. Get into chat and then just open up some group conversation. Now we can tap at that camera icon and then take a picture or video. Or choose some from our camera roll in that way. And then before sending that message, we need to tap at that icon to activate that mod, in which any user who view that photo message or video message will be able to view it just once, and they won't be able to take a screenshot of that photo. So we can just stop right here to send that message, and then any user will be able to view it just once without taking a screenshot. Now you can write down in the comments if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.